Hello y'all. Today we will be playing War Thunder. I haven't played this game in like a year. It's been a long time. But it's crazy. But today I'm gonna grind the British tank and try to get all the way to top tier. I don't know where I left off last time I got off, but I hope I can get some kills, unlike last time, which, well, let's say it took me like a year to get to just the second row. But alright, so we left off the cluster 2. I do not know how to read these British tanks. The SARC MKV. And then the Vietnam one. This is our best tank, as to it is a medium-sized tank. I want a heavy tank. So let me show you the plan, y'all. So this is gonna be our medium tanks here, heavy tanks here, and then light tanks here. And then by row, we're gonna go. There's the rows already. Oh, I need this. Oh, it is British. I've always thought this tank was American. I don't know why, y'all. And then you got the Harry Pooker. Let's get it. Alright, we start off on a decent map that I kinda like. 30 rounds. Which one? I'm gonna start with the light. Nobody should kill me. Today I'm gonna talk like the British, guys. Talk like the British. I don't know how the British. Don't criticize me. But we're not British tank. I think the waypoint will capture that. Probably gonna get killed by somebody random. But if this tank gets touched by a bullet, it is absolutely fried already. Like, no, this thing has 0 armor. When I mean it, I literally mean it. Goose. This will be a very long video, so grab popcorn. Oh my goodness, bro. Is you the enemy? Sonny, and why is you pinging me to the wall? Oh, bro. Anybody there? I'm gonna show that. Oh my goodness. What is that, bro? Japanese have weird tank, bro. The Japanese have weird tank. Let me get used to the game, y'all. Cause, yeah. Just give me like 3 battles and I'll get pretty used to the game. And how to play on these tanks. As to these things can't survive 2 shots. Probably gonna smoke grenade a lot with this tank. Get them absolutely fried. That visuals to 0. So destroying a fence earns you ammunition, artillery fire. Let me do this real fast, y'all. I'm down. engine. Let's go. Free kill. Okay. Somebody here? Whoa. On what, bro? I'm not even sure. Is he still hiding in the same place? We're always hiding in the same place. Oh, Sherman. No. Oh, yeah, Sherman. Yeah, do not go that way. We've learned. What was that? More thunder locking? Why is the game glitching? Let's go. Finally, bro. Dumb Japanese tank. Let's capture the B point. There's people to A point. Please load. Alright, zone capture. Are we gonna sneak up on? Oh, okay, there's 4 of them. That's great. Oh. Why are they going up? Go forward! Oh. Wait. Wait, can I get him? No, I cannot. No. Let's keep cool. That was absolutely cool. Oh. I so miss. No, yes. Fuck, I missed. Oh, he did nothing to me, bro. Like, flippin' God. Sorry if I say something. Yeah, cause this game gets me pretty mad. And when I mean mad, I mean mad. What? Please no, bro. Let's. Bro, I can't hide. I'm dead. I could have sprinted for it, but that wouldn't work. Let's use our somewhat armor. This thing's got good armor, so can survive. This thing's slow as a snail, bro. Never seen a tank this slow. Why is the tank 27? By the way, if you're willing to grind British heavy or tank destroyers, watch out for this weird British tank. I don't know what it's called, but you gotta drive backwards to use it, which is so bad annoying. What were the British thinking? Last time I played, oh my god, bro. I quit the game because of that tank, bro. What was that tank like? What were the British thinking? So we are pushing on C right now. Bam. No. want to be. Well, if we gain C point, we lose B point. That's how it works. Bruh. Oh my goodness, bro. 2 light tanks. Or, oh, not 2. Nice song miss. I should go home before. Oh, they are fine. Like 30. Yes. Nope. Nope, please. Yes. Okay. You got my gunner, which I don't care about really. Machine gun. I'll go out 3 of them, almost. T-34. I mean T-28. Wait, where is Ryan? No, yes. Go fast before this guy repairs. Go. Bro did not even scratch me. No way. No. Please. Oh God. Repair. I'll see it. What is my... I'm doing crap to him. Actually, I did. I deleted his engine. I'm to 5. I'm to 4E, alright. I can still get this guy. No, I can't. Yes, I can. No! He's aiming at me. Oh, he hit the fronts. My fronts. No, delete his cannon. Bro, why is this Panther survive? Thank you. Artillery coming in. Look at what I'm saying, bro. We lose. How did we lose C-point? Nobody's at C-point. I lost a roommate, and since there's only 3 people in this tank, that's not good. So I gotta be very careful. I just got killed by it, that works. As the British say, these tanks are great. No, the British say, these tanks are astonishing. And I can absolutely make these tanks better. Oh! No, what happened to those 2? Are we like popping like 30 smoke grenades here? 8 points ours. I gotta turn around to see. Really? Come on, bro. Tank. Too slow. I'll just defend 8 points like this. Actually, I'm gonna blow it down. My goodness, this thing's gone through shots. My goodness. So as I said, it's going to be a very long one. incredibly, maybe 2 hours, y'all. Because there is gonna be some cuts in the video, but during gameplay, there's no cuts in the video. So y'all, you're watching me. Y'all gonna watch what I'm doing. Y'all gonna watch. Let's go, 6 kills and 1 zone captured. I'll take it. Base squid. 4,000 left. 2,000 platinum. Smoke grenade. Engine because this thing's awfully slow. I don't want the APC key. I'm gonna just get a support. Extinguisher. Can I not buy the extinguisher? Oh, I want the APC, please. What is happening? Right. Oh. I forgot to cut the video, y'all. Y'all know there's no cuts in the video at all. Because it's really gonna be looking at the tank that I get and going to war. So, no. Start with the cruiser.
Crew position. Ready up. Loader ready. Gunner ready. Loader ready.
I'm gonna get 8 point. I don't know, I just could strategize 8 point better than B or C. Pasta. Whee. I'm gonna pop some of these smoke grenades, like the last round. Oh wow! 45. Totally fine, dog. This thing is that strong, dog. So much noise, yeah. Wait, dude. Once I remember, those were shooting at me. I don't know why. I'll see me smoke myself in. I'll make myself a wall of smoke. Sorry, bro. I got like 26 of those, bro. Still 26. This thing's hot with smoke grenades, bro. We go A and B. Right. I want to defend B. Who is literally... What white tankers go that fast? Oh, the British air is very good. That's not good. That's not good. Like Chakai? What is that name? Oh, I've never seen it. I'm gonna turn before I die. No! Sure. God knows it aiming at me. Also, I would have been more cooked. So much guy. You did roll past? I mean, you did roll past? Oh! Yes. Oh, no. That's a no-no. That's a big no-no, y'all. Alright, that's good. That's a yes. Get me out of here. 360. 360 myself. Hunter, what are you? Oh, bro, it's so in front of me. Oh, bro's on the beach. Oh, if it was still a beach. No, do not dare you get a point. Where's bro at? Ooh. No, I'm gonna so die. Please nobody spawn. Ow. Look it. Thank God. I'm so dead. Come on. That's... No. I can Germans! No, I got his gunner. Kill them. Ha! You didn't get a point. Gold's like 1 inch away, but alright. Let's go back up. Any boat tea got tea? You don't. You do not got tea. Aww, this one was a fast one. Oh, 2 goes. $4.99. Should put us at 3,500 left. Oh. Oop. It's already been 20 minutes. 2 battles, bro. Got a great idea. Got this, and then go to sea. Cause there's a wall right here, bro. Let me like hide and pull some smokes. Go to B point. I'm not taking that mountain. Why y'all trying to shoot at me, bro? I is not the enemy. How is the freaking M2 go that fast? M2 go like 70 miles per hour. I mean 70 kilometers. In Britain. Or use miles in America. Go. Let's see if we get that back. Ow. Thank you for nothing. Oh, at least I got something. Seapoint is getting captured by a light tank. What we doing? Scuba. This is a great boat. Now Germans. How did I get hit? How did I got holes? My teammate here. What is that? Oh, not good. I missed. Flip. Legoland. No. I'm underwater. No. Nope. I am stuck. No. I hate these pathways, right? I just got killed by a reversible panther. Or is it going forward, bro? These things look weird as hell. Oh, you. Why does the German load with so many smoke grenades? That oh. me to turn up the volume. Lego. That's not Lego, that's Lego. What's these thoughts, people? What type of P40 is that? I've never seen the P character. It's a character on a P40. God, they're pushing. We need backup. We need backup right now. I know, we need backup. That's not good. No, I only got his fleet. Our BT got me. I want to use it again. But I'm so fried. I'm so fried. No, bro. He's on our island. Wait, he got the kill. Yes, yes. All of your splendid come to B point. I got crap. Woo! Nah, bro. Nah, bro, then. Can't get nobody. What is the P40, yo? I'm so confused. How is the BT-42 a freaking light tank? Oh! Oh, my friend, you're so dead! But they killed both of them. No! There's 30! Please turn your cannon. Oh, did I get this cannon? No. Come here. It's Vyaka, of course, bro. So fuck. Please just hold up tight. That's the P40. That looks like the German. That looks like the Japanese Panther, right? Germany came together with Japan, they made that. Base. That wasn't a good battle, bro. I really couldn't have done nothing. There was like 30 people on me.
Attack enemy troops.
Nah, I'm gonna just sprint it. Actually sprint to B point. Oh, it's this map. Oh, yo, let me lock in. This is the W map. No. Just gotta flow, bro. You just got to flow. Panther. Oh, Panther. Bro, get me up. I've been hit by what, bro? Woo! Wah! I know it, bro. It's me. No! Go forward. Go forward. Do you know how to go forward? Wow, bro, those explosive shells with light tanks are not the deal. Well, I hate this thing.
Another zone captured, Captain.
On to 3F. Bro, the British have to upgrade from the 40 cal. I so agree. Bro, can I not pin him? I can't pin him. I can't pin his front side. Can I not pin Opantha? F2. Oh, that's an EF. No, that's an E2. Go to the outside here. Why y'all shooting at me, bro? What did I do? Oh, damn, y'all. Side rail. What is that? Protecting attack. That worked. Did I just realize how many tanks there are? Yeah, I just realized that. Back up. What is sides? Can I get something else? Oh, I was taking hit after hit. No, did I do something? Yeah, I did. But I destroyed it. I'm getting hit by my. Oh, my cannon broken. My cannon is broken. Fix cannon. I need cannon to work. Absolutely destroyed my cannon. Sis, thank you. Fix the cannon, thank you. I did that. That's a fuck up. Did I get his cannon? I did not. Oh, well, he just got blown to rubbish. No, 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 no. Oh. Can I not get him? I can't get him. I cannot pen that tank. Can I not pen it? I just can't pen it. Oh, he's going for artillery on me. Oh. What is bro doing? Oh, you want she's on the air. No, bro. Fuck. I'm shit. Oh. Move. Look at this guy shit. Fuck, I'm so fucking dead. He's so fucking dead. pushes an inch more. I'm so fucked. Oh! Thank you! Thank you so fucking much. Kill him. Kill him. No! I'm so dead. Did I not see him? How? Panther is not that strong, right? You are so fucking lucky. How strong is the Panther? But I don't get it. Panther is not that strong, bro. Wait! No, yes. Yes. I got 2 repair, bro. They killed my fucking ass trucks. Getting shot from over there. I can't do shit. Yes, we did it without dying, y'all. Holy America! 800, I'll take it. 2,000 left, alright, that's all. Alright, 1 point. I bet you this thing. I like the ones that are full of TNT, y'all. The shells that are full of TNT. Weep. Fat. I'm fat. How am I fatter, bro? Oh my god, bro. Oh, please, move. Truly, I'm way faster than you. So faster. This tank is faster than the Formula 1. That thing looks like it's absolutely gonna shred. That thing looks like a absolute nuke tank. That's why I want it. That's Ukrainian, right? That's from Ukraine. Bomba clots, bro. Bomba clots. Bomba clots. Bomba clots. Bomba clots. Bomba clots. Why are we not getting nothing? My team is doing a great job of healing. I'm not. Other than that. Oh my team. I'm not going to run out of that. Wait, can I get up here? Get me up here. No, I can't. That would have been a great spot, y'all. Yes. See, bro, we got the strat, bro. Strat is pop some smoke grenades, bro. No! I'm so fucked. Good boy. give it to that D50. I know. He was mine.
Target destroyed.
Oh, that's a combo. One cups here. That is not no. That's a big no. No. Pop, smoke it. I got cooked. That OG is in my way too. What is that OG doing? That looks like my TV. We are 40 minutes in, y'all. It's probably a 2-hour video. Each day, I'm gonna record a video getting a new tank in Wakanda, the British. And this is how long it is taking to get no tank. For y'all just to see. After that, I don't know, but if this video goes viral, yeah, probably make more videos about this. But y'all gotta make it go like viral, bro. Or else I can't make these videos. Bro, y'all gonna help me out? Y'all gonna not help me out. I'm not saying that you have to. You can just keep on scrolling down videos. But will y'all please help me out? It's very nice of you. How did we lose 8 points? Hit! Useless! I can softly pick out. I've been hit, alright. Yes. Oh, I got his gun! I perfectly got his gun, y'all. Nope, bomb my leg. Woo! Imbevaratuvici. Absolutely crap. No! Fuck you. Hate that tank forever and ever to come. Bro, that tank has killed me so many times, bro. That Japanese tank. Like, hear me out. Who made that tank? Bro, that tank is actually annoying. But whatever, we keep on going. Y'all might cut the video short, y'all. I don't want y'all to watch a 2-hour video. I'll make it 1 hour, yeah, but like not a 2-hour, y'all. Like, y'all want a 2-hour video? Do y'all?
Ready? 6-0-0. Enemy is winning. We must counterattack. We've been hit.
Oh, bro saw me. How did bro see me? Okay. Okay, that works. Just yeah, that works. Yeah. Their glitch is absolutely no, we're gonna lose, y'all. Yay! We are winning. That's good. Actually, we're not winning. We're actually losing. We can make a comeback. Comebacks are always possible. No! That did nothing, bro. I hate these things. Wait, did I get this? Let me just back up. I shouldn't have backed up. I shouldn't have backed up. Because that happens when you back up. I hate this crap. Come on. Why? Why? Alright, back to it. No, wait. And I see it. Oh, we are so close. We are so close. Actually, let's preview this thing and see what we're gonna get. So, on armor. As decent armor, as I see right there. So, what did they shoot me like this? Oh, it's a 75 effective thickness. Alright, that's good. They shoot me right there, sideways 86. Damn, this is a heavy tank. Peter 76 on the sides. I mean, this is good, bro. It can save your tracks. Back here it's a 63. Up here 25. That's gonna be very dangerous from planes. 72. So overall, this thing's good on armor. Wait, what does it have? X-ray. So it has a 40mm. And a, what is this? 72, so an 8mm machine gun. Driver, gunner, loader, commander. Alright, so it got 4 people, which is good. Other than this thing, which is literally only have 3. But what makes me bad is, let me show y'all. All the way till down to the last row of rank 2, you actually don't get a 40mm. But other than that, you're just gonna get Peter 40mm, which is actually annoying. But let's keep going on this video. You know what? We're gonna cut it. You know what? I'm gonna do it. You know what? Y'all, we are 300 away. We can't quit so early, y'all. We are 300 away. Or 400, I don't care. Y'all stay with me. This might be an hour video, but an hour for a tank. It's a tank. A tank. So please, and I mean, well, let me just make you hear better. Please please stay with me, y'all. One more battle. That's all it takes. One more battle. Which is taking actual 3 hours to load. Y'all. Please. Stay. Don't go. Tank is tank, bro. A tank is a tank. You know what? I'm gonna cut until it starts.